Ako amoela hape mo imona ho Spotlight 97.5, your local news and your local entertainment. Tsatsing la ka jeno go tlole balla disclaimer ya rona ya Spotlight 97.5 e ba le ya tjena. Spotlight 97.5, your local news and your local entertainment, provides a platform for community voices. The viewers and opinions expressed by local resident features on this podcast belongs solely to those individuals and do not represent the views, positions or endorsement of Spotlight 97.5 or its producers. Our role is to listen, share and create space for community conversations. Ebale alwalo he mo mo la
jela ka se ikutletse moe maikutlo ohle a hla yang moe ke a hae ha bile mo rona ka kwa a mahane le rona mpa fela le rona re tsitse fela hore moe ya disa maikutlo ya go finyana le ba le setjhaba sa hlohlolwana so a kopa maikutlo ke a hao o feletse mo
Galeboa. Stay tuned to Spotlight 97.5, your local news and your local entertainment.